Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Flipboard for blogging using just by your phone. Let's get started. First, open your Flipboard app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Now tap on Create Magazine or New Magazine. Give your magazine a name related to your blog, like My Travel Stories or Marketing Tips. Add a short description and choose a category. This will be your blogging hub on Flipboard. To add a blog post, tap the plus icon, then paste the links to your blog post. You can link from WordPress, Medium, bloggers, or even Substack. Add a short caption or description to explain what the post is about. Then tap Add and choose your magazine. Post every time you write a new blog. You can also mix it related articles from other sites to keep your magazine active and interesting. And that's how you use Flipboard for blogging from your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.